Here's another quick Milwaukee video, guys, on the Milwaukee Edger. From the video, you can probably tell I forgot to turn my mic on, but that's okay. So today, to do the edging, a small edging part on the driveway, we're going to go with the 3.0 batteries, which we've been using on the mower, actually. Check out the Milwaukee mower videos that we've done if you're interested in that. So today, the driveway side edge, where my wife usually parks, and at times she rolls up on that edge and compacts that clay soil, which makes it a little harder for a weed trimmer to get that edge. So we go with the main Milwaukee Quik-Lok Edger, which does a great job. I know somebody's going to make a comment that I don't take care of my tools, so let's get the mud out of the edger first before we get started. It's been really wet and muddy here in St. Louis this past April, so let's just get it clean first. Grab a flat edge screwdriver and we'll just scrape the mud out of the edger just so that it runs nice and free and there's no, extra effort in no need to make the job harder, right? Let's just clean it up. This particular side of the lawn, this edge is always the hardest for me to keep that nice, fluffy, deep, those big edges that we like to see. It's just hard when you're running over it with the car, and it's not a big deal. Really, the only way to break through that clay-y soil that you have, and again, I don't spend a lot of time on the yard. I don't spend a lot of money on it, but I do like to keep it nice. Really, the only way to get that edge, to make it, just to look good, plus I want to use my tools. Right? The best way to do that and to cut through that clay is going to be with the edger. You see here that I'm actually going in reverse also. I kind of like making that second reverse pass on here. I think it cleans up that edge a little bit nicer. It goes a little deeper, so I always go kind of backwards also on that second pass. So now it's time to do a little bit of the cleanup, and again, fun using all of our Milwaukee tools. I get it. So we get the blower out and just kind of go up and down and kind of blow some of that soil, mud, debris back into the grass and everything. Sometimes it kind of fills in your new line that you made and it doesn't look so well defined, but that's okay. It's fine. Again, this isn't like the biggest thing in the world. We're just trying to make things look nice. And again, in this quick, short little project today, we're still using that 3.0 battery that we use the edger on. I think we discount a lot that you can't really use a 3.0 battery in your edger, blower, your mower. The Milwaukee mower I've used it twice this week to mow the same battery without charging it, and it's plenty for a lot of us guys that live in the suburbs, to where our lawn on the front, where you're using the mower, the edger, some of our tools are just the front yard. A 3.0 is plenty. So that's my humble presentation to you with the Milwaukee Edger. Does a great job. Hopefully the grass fills in a little bit more here late spring going into summer, and we get that nice defined edge. And for that clay soil that your wife runs over and parks on, this does a fantastic job of it. Highly recommend it.